Hello. In this lesson today, we are going to discuss some useful expressions that you can use while attempting a discussion essay in your IELTS writing task 2. Okay? So when it comes to your writing task 2, in a discussion kind of an essay, you generally have to describe two sides of the story. There are two opinions or two sides that are given, and you have to discuss both of them while any of them is not your own opinion. Okay? So we'll have a look at some expressions that will make your writing much more attractive. So while you do not have to explain your own opinion, you really have to add in how other people feel and elaborate on their view or their side of the story. So we'll look at these expressions which will help you describe somebody else's opinion and both the sides of the story in a much better manner. So without further ado, let's look at the examples right now and understand it bit by bit. So the first one with which you can start off is many people believe that. Okay, so it is not a very high band score sentence, but it makes the intention clear, and that is why it is perfectly okay for you to use it. But we can also look at another sentence that will fetch you really good marks if you begin that way. So instead of just saying that many people believe that, you could also say it is commonly believed that. So why is this better? Is because is believed is a passive. So okay, if you give your examiner a passive tense, it is a really good projection of your language scores. So it's a really good way to begin with a sentence like this. It is commonly believed that. Now you could also change this word. In the sentence before this one where we said many people believe that, we changed it a little here and we said it is commonly believed that. So the word commonly also essentially means many in itself. Okay, so that commonly a lot of people are of the opinion. So it is of the same meaning, but it is presented in a better form and it is also grammatically correct. Okay, so it's showing that you have a strong grammar base, and you could also replace the word commonly with frequently or it is often believed that. Okay, so these are some synonyms you could swap the word commonly with. Another example is you could start by saying some people think that, and so on. Or you could say, it is often thought that. To express a certain sect's opinion, you could use this sentence also. Now again, this will again land you in a high band score because you've again used a passive. Is thought. Okay, so try and use more sentences like this rather than going for just simple, plain, basic sentences like many people believe that, because it is one very commonly used also and will not reflect high band score English. Okay, another one is many argue that. So when you use such a sentence, you don't need to add many people. The sentence in itself is very clear. It makes the message clear. So when you say that many argue that, it in itself is complete and clear. Okay, you could use phrases like on the other hand, on the other side. Okay, but I will also tell you what not to use. Now when I use these two sentences, on the other hand and on the other side, or on one side of something like this, so I must tell you that you should not actually use the second kind of a sentence where you are saying on the other side of. And why is that so? It's not because it's incorrect, but it's because it's pretty informal and not academic. So when you're writing, your writing should be formal and should abide by the writing rules. So try not to use this sentence when you're beginning with your paragraph. Also, there's another sentence that you must never use, and sadly a lot of students commonly use this. They often begin their paragraphs writing on the other side of the coin. No, this is a big no-no. One, because this phrase and this sentence has been overused, and secondly, also because again, this as well is informal. This phrase is usually used when two people are talking, so never use it for your writing. In another video, we've already spoken about overused phrases, and yes, this one makes it in the list. Okay? Now, the last sentence I tell you is a really amazing sentence for you to start your paragraph with. So, always remember this expression. Some people support the opinion that. Now, yes, this sentence is a great way to start your paragraph. Okay, it'll also give you a high band score because it is very clear and it is a very nice phrase to use. Okay, so remember, when you're writing your task 2, give the examiner some simple tense like some people think that, and sometimes give them passive tense also. For instance, the ones we discussed earlier, like it is often thought that. Okay, so keep variations in your essay. Do not just stick to one particular tense. Okay, have some flexibility in your essay, and that will really take you a long way. So that's all for this lesson, and keep all these points in mind to score well on your task 2.